Let's now start with a logo. That's one of the first things they have on here with you might want to try, a logo. Let's click on it and let's start making our logo for Motivation Fitness. They have already quite a few options here. And what I always usually say for making a logo is find something that you like how it looks. It doesn't necessarily have to be within your industry, within the fitness industry. Find something that you like the way it looks and tweak it from there. I'm going to start by changing the background here. I'm going to make it a little bit softer. So what I can do is I can select the color option, and I have the color code from Kuler that I'm going to type in here. And I'm going to use the light background, and it's going to change it right there. Already liking how this is looking. So now let's change the background to give it a little bit softer look. And I'm going to use one of the blues from it, and I have the color code like I mentioned. Already softening a bit. Let's make this pop now with the orange that's from there for one of those. So I just go up here,